whistle up the breeze. What did you say the weight is, a trailerable weight?
The boat weight is about 550.
550 plus bars, plus what is that?
No, that's all boat. And then of course the trailer weight is on the boat, some weights.
Yeah.
Just a sprint. One quick sprint.
The lad who's driving, he said they go out on the river,
Yeah.
and they go up to Oxford in that,
Yeah.
and they obviously open her up and let her go again. So, of course, only at 4 knots.
Now what's that wind doing? Now it's coming from the other side.
I thought there was a bit more breeze than we're getting.
Yeah. Well, they might just